Apple is speeding up plans to produce the rumored electric vehicle in 2025 with a focus on producing completely self-sufficient automobiles. Welcome back to our channel, Tech Regen. Let's dive into the video to know all about the electric car of Apple. While challenge leader Kevin Lynch has limited self-use skills in steering and acceleration that do not require human intervention, Mark Gurman writes about Cupertino's high-tech titans. He stated that he had shifted his focus. Apple's ideal car is devoid of pedals and steering wheels, and its interior can be changed at any time. The sole lifestyle vehicle from Canoo Inc., an EV startup, is one of the options being considered within the corporation. Passengers in this car sit on the car's edge and mingle much like in a limousine. The chip was designed by the Silicon Engineering Group of Silicon, which created processors for the iPhone, Mac, and iPad rather than for the automotive industry. The image protects the chip's underlying software package and enhances self-use capabilities. With the advancement, you may want to find all the exams quickly. Apple intends to begin deploying a completely new processor arrangement and the most recent self-driving functionality in retrofit vehicles that have been tested in California for years. The institution, in collaboration with the Department of State's Automotive Bureau, currently has 69 Lexus SUVs experimenting with that era. The Apple Auto chip is one of Apple's best designed in-house products, consisting primarily of a neural processor capable of managing the synthetic intelligence required for autonomous operation. Because the chip's functions will likely heat up, you'll need to upgrade your advanced cooler. The goal is to increase the car's capacity in order to prevent client fatigue during long journeys. Building a real car for an outside automaker like Apple, on the other hand, necessitates collaboration. The company has reached agreements with several manufacturers and is considering building a vehicle in the United States. Despite recent progress, Apple sees fully self-driving cars as a highly competitive path to 2025. Some are questioning Project Titan's timeline. Security is an important piece of the puzzle. Apple is developing a safer system than Tesla and way more expected, and engineers are nervous about the trial. It entails implementing a high level of redundancy so that the backup structure layers can intervene to prevent machine breakdowns for both protection and usage. Apple is looking for engineers to research and improve security features. The special project team is looking for experienced mechanical engineers to lead the design and development of some mechanical structures with critical protection capabilities, according to one current Apple activity list. They'll use their curiosity to help in the design and security structures, as well as countermeasures in testing of these structures. As part of its efforts to ramp up the challenge, Apple is hiring more engineers for self-driving and vehicle hardware. In recent weeks, Apple has also hired a weather machine expert from the well-known Volvo Car AB, a Daimler Truck supervisor, Karma Automotive LLC's battery structures engineers, and other car developers, General Motors sensors engineers, car safety engineers from companies such as Joyson Safety Systems, and a couple of different engineers from Tesla, according to LinkedIn and those with knowledge of the matter. This list reveals that the software packages under development are primarily focused on a time period comparable to that of iPhone work equipment. According to an Apple activity list, the company is also hiring software programmers to work on reports for human interplay with the self-sufficient era, implying that it's well into developing the vehicle's user interface. Internally, Apple is debating various exclusive corporate car styles, such as the development of self-driving cars in the vein of Uber, Waymo, and Lyft Incorporated. The company mentioned a Canoo-like appearance arrangement when adopting the fleet strategy. Apple, on the other hand, is more likely to show off the vehicle for character ownership. Lynch is the fifth government in less than 7 years to take on the task. Such a high turnover rate is unusual at Apple. For example, because the augmented and virtual reality project began as a vehicle at the same time, it only had one leader. Nonetheless, given Lynch's ability to help the organization's watch become the main product, a few car division engineers see his appointment as a positive sign. Lynch reports to Jeff Williams, Apple's chief operating officer. Lynch has no prior self-employment experience and works as a supervisor of automotive hardware and software programs. Former Tesla executives such as Michael Swetkutz and Stuart Bowers, on the other hand, are critical to this endeavor. Apple has pre-adopted Ulrich Kranz yet again this year. He previously owned a Canoo company and worked with BMW to develop electric vehicles. However, due to the complexities of self-propelled robots, even with a target date of 2025, the timeline may change. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What do you think about this project? Let us know in the comment section below. like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.